Oh, I have to do this. Oh, and then I'm going to do that one and then this one. Do you ever feel like your big calendar is just packed and your to-do list is so long because you have to do all these different things for your business, for your organization, especially when it comes to engaging your audience online with social media content. And for some platforms, it's recommended daily. That can feel overwhelming. So I want to share with you another segment of Behind the Curtain tools I use. And I'm going to share with you the online platform called Later, which is a scheduling app. They do have a free version. And then I will share with you also why I decided to level up that version. But I started out with the free, and I'm going to show you around online, share my screen, and show you how I do this. All right, let's look behind the curtain at the scheduler that I use called Later. When I log in, I can go to my calendar, and I like to look at the month so I can see where I need to upload. I can plus or minus any of the accounts that I have added, and I can download from other platforms like Canva or Presenter Media. So for example, download video, the first one, download that, got download that. Then I go to upload media. Once they are up, now that's a GIF, and I don't think GIFs are able to be uploaded into Instagram through this platform. And I will make it at 1 a.m. Let's do it. Video. And before I move it, I'm gonna copy, move that over. Can always edit later, 12 p.m. and I'll edit later. So we're good to go, post 3. Now when I have added something that has a lot more text on Instagram, it'll let me know how many hashtags are left. On, let's see here, on Twitter, it would tell me if I have too much text and how much I have to remove. And if I realize that when I downloaded something it wasn't quite right, I can go back to it and discard the post. And maybe perhaps I want to add our website. Now, and then this might give you an idea. You can change your thumbnail cover as well if you wanted to move it farther along. Then that is showing fully when it's on the Instagram posts. Here it's showing me that I need to delete some of the characters to make it fit. And for PowerPoint, you need to pick which board and add a website. Now it's not letting me post, so that means there's something else I need to do. And I have the method of publishing is automatic. Video too short for Pinterest. Now that's the problem. So what I need to do, unfortunately I can't just remove this. I have to take the whole thing, make sure I have my text, I just leave. Go, and now I can post the 3 posts. So it's fantastic to be able to plan ahead, schedule, and what's really great as well is that I can then do a preview of what I have scheduled so far. Now I am missing quite a bit, so it's not giving me the full look, but it is nice to be able to see what it looks like if I wanted 3 words to line up and I was ready for that. So that's a bit of a look behind the scenes with the scheduler later. If you like this video, check the like button and subscribe so that you know when I'm giving you your next great video on how-to tips, behind the scenes, step-by-step guides, information about how you can reach your audience. Thanks for tuning in. If you're listening online as a podcast or if you're reviewing the blog with additional tips. And until next time, I hope that you reach your audience and have some light bulb learning moments. All right, click record. Hello, I am going to share today how I edit my videos.